Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wire bonsai tree is probably one of the most fascinating art forms, blending the ancient art of bonsai with the modern technique of wire manipulation. This video will guide you through the process of creating your own wire bonsai tree, from selecting the right materials to shaping the wire into intricate designs. Get ready to explore the beauty of miniature trees crafted with wire. Number 5. MoHern Bonsai Wire and Tool Kit. This kit includes high-quality aluminum wire, perfect for shaping bonsai trees. The wire is easy to mold and bend, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced bonsai enthusiasts. It is also painted to prevent rusting. The kit is designed to be flexible and practical for various bonsai projects. The different colors of the wire, including black, green, and brown, help it blend seamlessly with your plants. This makes it great for training your bonsai. This bonsai wire kit is not only for bonsai training. You can also use it for handmade crafts and jewelry making. It's a versatile tool for various creative projects. The kit includes 3 different wire sizes to meet your needs. Each roll is 32.8 feet long, with a total of 164 feet of wire. The included mini pliers are 5 inches long, making it easy to cut and shape the wire. If you have any issues with the product, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. What we like. This kit offers a variety of wire sizes, perfect for different stages of bonsai development. It's also a complete kit, including tools to get you started right away. If you're a beginner or someone who likes having everything in one package, this is an excellent choice. What people say. 3 different gauge black wires, 3 colors of the smaller gauge wire and a small but decent wire clippers with a small gap to aid bending wire. Great set for getting started with and playing around with bonsai. The wire is strong enough to bend and hold woody branches, yet is easily manipulated with my fingers. The varying sizes are perfect for beginners trying to test their skills. The tool that comes with is not the highest quality, but you get what you pay for. It is sharp, pointed, and does the job well. Number 4. 5-roll aluminum bonsai training wire and cutter set. This set includes everything you need to shape your bonsai trees. It comes with a wire cutter and 5 rolls of aluminum wire in various sizes and colors. This will help you create the perfect shape for your bonsai. The wires are made of high-quality aluminum, which is rust-resistant and flexible. They are strong enough to shape branches without damaging the plant. You can reuse them, saving you time and money. The set includes 3 common wire sizes, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, and 2.0 mm. This variety ensures you have the right wire for any branch. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced bonsai enthusiasts. The included wire cutter is made of steel and plastic, designed to cut through the wires easily. It makes shaping your bonsai trees a breeze. This tool is essential for any bonsai project. With this set, you can easily bend and reposition branches. It's a practical tool to help you create a beautiful garden. Enjoy the process of training and styling your bonsai trees. What we like. This set includes wires in multiple colors, allowing you to choose what best suits your bonsai. The aluminum material is durable and reusable, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a versatile and cost-effective option, this is the one for you. What people say. The wire is great quality and I love the color options. Using it for our bonsai tree. These wires are perfect for my bonsai and the wire cutters work great. The wires bend very easy but stay in place for beautiful shaping of my plants. The sizes are all good too. Number 3. Anodized aluminum bonsai training wire starter set. This anodized aluminum training wire is easier to bend than copper, but still very strong. It's perfect for beginner bonsai trainers and convenient for experienced artists. You will find it easy to work with. The set comes with 5 popular sizes, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2.0 mm, 2.5 mm, and 3.0 mm. This variety ensures you have the right size for branches of different thicknesses. Each wire is labeled for easy identification. The set includes a total of 147 feet of wire. There are 75 feet of 1 mm, 34 feet of 1.5 mm, 18 feet of 2.0 mm, 12 feet of 2.5 mm, and 8 feet of 3.0 mm. Each roll is 50 g, and the pack comes with 5 rolls total. The wires come in a drawstring canvas bag. This makes storage easy and the set a perfect gift. It's a stylish and practical way to keep your wires organized. Available in black, brown, or green, the colors are anodized. Choose the color that best suits your needs. Select the one that blends in with the bark or matches your leaves. What we like. The anodized aluminum wire is easy to bend, making it ideal for beginners. It comes in a range of sizes to accommodate different branch thicknesses. If you are looking for a beginner-friendly wire with a stylish storage solution, it is a great choice. What people say. This set of wires worked well. Each bundle of wire is nicely marked with the diameter, which is very helpful as they each can look very similar without a label. The wires are coated too. Number 2. Kebinfen Bonsai Training Wire Kit. This bonsai wire is made of aluminum alloy with an oxidized treatment. The high-quality coating ensures it's rust-free and has no unpleasant chemical smells. This keeps you healthy. The training wire is flexible yet strong, so it won't damage your trees or plants. You can bend and twist it many times without any issues. This kit includes 3 popular wire sizes, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, and 2.0 mm. The included cutting pliers make it easy to cut the thicker wires. Bonsai planting is a fun hobby that can influence your mood and purify your mind. It brings a lot of interesting things to your daily life. The package includes 4 bonsai wires, 1 green, 3 black, totaling 128 feet, and 1 bonsai wire cutter. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. The wires are made of aluminum alloy with an anti-corrosion coating, ensuring longevity. It comes with 3 popular sizes to meet different needs. If you want a durable and reliable wire that will last, this is a great option. What people say. This is a great starter set for bonsai beginners. The wire did exactly what it was supposed to do. I was able to manipulate my bonsai trees as I wanted to with no problem. The wire is pliable yet able to hold the bonsai tree in proper position. The wire cutters work just fine. I had no problems cutting the wires. Has been brilliant for shaping bonsai and works really well. Different thicknesses has also meant it can be used for other jobs and created a useful bottle holder wire for a water bottle on pet cage. Number 1. Grow a Bonsai 4.0 mm training wire, black. This anodized aluminum wire is perfect for training bonsai trees. It holds its shape and is resistant to corrosion. It comes in beautiful colors to complement your tree. Each roll contains 250 g of wire, so you can get exactly the size you need. You can replenish your starter set or supplement your existing wire supply with these large rolls. The 4.0 mm gauge wire gives you 23 feet of wire. This thicker gauge is ideal for use on larger branches, giving you plenty to work with. This training wire is easier to bend than copper, making it great for beginners. It's also convenient for experienced artists. It's reusable and won't damage your tree. Available in classic black or brown to blend in with your bark. All colors are anodized. Choose the color that best suits your needs. What we like. This product provides a large roll of 4.0 mm wire, ideal for larger branches. The anodized aluminum is easy to bend and comes in different colors. If you're working on larger bonsai or need a specific color, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works great on the small branches. The wire is great at holding branch positions and easy to bend into position and straighten back out to reuse. The wire is 2.5 mm copper in color and very easy to bend and work with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.